Hi everybody, Missy back here with our weekly spelling words video. So week 20 now, let's see what our spellings are this week. Well, our rule this week is a word family uni. So spelling one is unit. Okay, we can hear the word you at the beginning, but we're not spelling it as in are you going to the party, Y-O-U, we're spelling it uni, U-N-I. U-N-I. So here we've got unit, unit. And we've got a picture of our TV. Our TV sits on a large wooden unit in our living room. Unit, unit. Quite an easy one to start with. Here's spelling two. Union, union. Again, not too difficult. Union, union. What does it mean? When we stand together for something we believe in, we form a union. We all agree. Here we go with spelling three. I bet you could guess this one. It's united. So we've got the U-N-I at the beginning in the word family. Ted, adding the E-D. We are united together. United, united. Spelling four, can you read it? It says universe. Tricky one, this one. So we've got uni and verse. You can spot a word within a word here, verse. There are verses in a poem or a song. So we've got the U-N-I and verse has that E on the end. We can use our sounds, but don't forget the E. We like to explore the universe. Universe, universe. Spelling five, can you read it? University. Uni, versity. No words within words here, but we can use our sounds. So we've got the word family U-N-I and then versity. And we're not spelling it as in city like a town, but we're doing it with an S instead of a C. Our sentence says, many people study at university to get a degree in learning. I'm sure lots of you will. Our last one, spelling six, unite. Unite, so we've got the unite, E. So just remember that E on the end. When we unite together, we can achieve anything. Unite, unite. Okay, let's see, grab your piece of paper and your pencil and let's see if you can unjumble the spellings of our week this week. Have a look. We know it starts with U-N-I, but what's the rest of the word? Uni, you guessed it, universe. Well done, don't forget that E on the end. We like to explore the universe. Ready for the next one? What's this word? Don't forget the word family at the beginning and see what you're left with. Unite. Well done if you got there before I did. Unite. Spelling three. Can you unjumble this spelling? Don't forget you can pause the video if you need to. Unite. Do you know it? That's right. United. We are united together. Spelling four. Oh, only 4 letters here. I bet you can get it. What was the TV sitting on? It was sitting on a unit. Well done if you got that right. Next one, word 5. What's this one? Look at the word family, U-N-I. The word is union, union. Well done, brilliant job. And our final one, which one haven't we done yet? But lots of letters in this one. Pause the video if you want more thinking time. Let's get the U-N-I for our word family. What are we left with? I'm not sure. Do you know it? Univ. Oh, yes. University. University. Good job, everybody. Well done. How many will you remember for our Friday spelling test? Good luck, and I'll see you soon.